Spoon. Spoon. This spoon is made of wood. Cauldron. Cauldron. A cauldron is a very large round metal pot used for cooking over a fire. Chopping board. Chopping board. On the chopping board makes it easy to cut vegetables. Knife. Knife. Knife cuts fruits and vegetables neatly. Fork. Fork. Easy to eat things like noodles with a fork. Bowl. Bowl. Put all the ingredients into a large bowl. Glass. Glass. Pour water into the glass. Dustbin. Dustbin. Throw garbage in the dustbin. Kitchen sink. Kitchen sink. The kitchen sink made of stainless steel. Dish. Dish. The colors of all these dishes are classy. Pan. Pan. A pan is a shallow metal object that you use to cook food. Cup. A cup is like a small bowl with a handle. Jar. Jar. Jars are useful for storing food, from rice to tea bags to cookies. Rolling pin. Rolling pin. I can roll dough with rolling pin. Rolling board. Rolling board. Rolling pins are used to roll the dough on the rolling board. Toaster. Toaster. The bread is put into the toaster and after a few minutes it pops up toasted. Gas stove. Gas stove. My mother has a gas stove for cooking. Mixer grinder. Mixer grinder. In the kitchen, a mixer grinder is a very good appliance. Tongue. Tongue. The chef used tongs to grab the hot pan. Jug. Jug. A jug is a type of container commonly used to hold liquids.